Tesla stock has once again rejected another bearish structure. Moreover, today's reaction confirms the bull trend as it acts as a powerful bullish continuation structure. Today, it almost reached our first target of $300. And in my opinion, we will still get there. We just need to stay alert and pay attention to some key points. So in this video, we'll see how strong this rally really is, what can possibly go wrong, and what is happening with the market in general. Also, we have earnings this week, which makes things more complex. So stick with me. Let's see what's going on here. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan. Let's start our analysis looking at Tesla's daily chart. Here on the daily chart, we see an incredible reaction. We broke every single one of our previous resistance levels, short-term resistance levels. We broke the 277. Today we broke the 284, and right now it feels like the 284 is working as a support level, as it is today's low. It is very close to today's low. Therefore, we are making a new high, confirming the pattern of higher highs, higher lows, confirming that yes, we are still in a bull trend. There is no bearish reversal structure, and this reaction simply destroys any possibility of a top level as well, of a top signal as well. Oh Nathan, what if we lose the 284 again? What if we lose the 277? Then a sharper correction, possibly to the 21 exponential moving average, is going to happen. This is what could possibly go wrong. Would this be a clear bearish reversal structure? No. A bearish reversal structure is made of lower highs, lower lows. So far we see only higher highs, higher lows. Period. So the trend is still bullish, even if it triggers a pullback, which there is not a single signal of a pullback. That would mean that a pullback to the EMA over here is just plausible, and since it is still a bull trend, any pullback must be considered as a buying opportunity. Period. This is it. I see some people that are very concerned about earnings, right? You guys are so concerned because earnings, well, we all know that earnings could make Tesla stock explode or melt. Usually, most of the time, statistically speaking, earnings make Tesla explode in the direction of the trend, right? So if it is still a bull trend, then okay, Tesla will probably explode upwards. When Tesla is in a downtrend over here, like in this case, Tesla usually explodes downwards after earnings, regardless of the results, right? Because the results are not that important price-wise. What Tesla is going to report right now, it is very important from a fundamental perspective. But guys, fundamentals, they support Tesla's price long-term speaking. Short-term speaking, it is quite useless to try to predict what is going to happen next. Any single catalyst, earnings, Fed meetings, etc. These catalysts, they usually bring volatility, but we can't tell how they are going to affect the market. It is not as simple as, oh, earnings are possibly going to be good, so Tesla is going to explode upwards, right? Tesla is going to rise, or earnings are supposed to be bad, Tesla is going to melt. It is not that simple. It never is. I am going to give you guys an example of how this is really complex. If you ever read Kahneman's book, Think Fast, Think Slow, or Taleb's book, Black Swan, maybe you will remember on the day that Saddam Hussein was captured. The day this guy was captured, Bloomberg released this news, this headline news. Saddam Hussein was captured, however, bond prices are decreasing, are dropping, because his capture may not put an end on terrorism. This is it. half an hour later, when bonds price started to rise again, half an hour later, 30 minutes, we are talking about Bloomberg, a very respected website. Bloomberg released a new headline saying that, oh, Saddam Hussein was captured. This makes investors more prone to risk, right? It is a good thing. This is why the market is bullish. Well, Hussein's capture was the main catalyst, right? But when the market dropped, Bloomberg quickly developed a narrative explaining why it was dropping. When it started to rise, okay, this narrative simply changed. So this is why people, especially new investors, especially those who are not familiar with the investing world over here, people usually crave for forecasts, right? They are always, people ask me, Nathan, what are your forecasts? What are your predictions for Tesla in 2030, 2050, the year of 5,000? I don't know. Guys, I don't know how Tesla is going to close tomorrow. I have not a single clue of how Tesla is going to behave in the next 5 years because no one can tell. Absolutely no one can tell. Maybe you will have the impression that some experts can tell you, but they can't. Believe me, they simply can't. It is because in this industry, it is better to just guess, even knowing that you are probably wrong, than actually saying that you don't know. Imagine Cathie Wood. Cathie Wood, you guys are, I see in the comments that you guys are so concerned because Cathie Wood is selling Tesla's shares, right? So maybe she sees something that we don't. Maybe this is a concerning event, right? Should we be concerned about this? Well, do you want to hear Cathie Wood, Gary Black, Ross Gerber, those experts? I'm gonna tell you, and I'm gonna prove to you, these guys suck at investing. They simply suck. If you invested on NARC 5 years ago in 2018, you would be on break even right now. 5 years ago. Gary Black, you would be losing money. This guy is doing nothing for you but losing your money while making a lot of money at your expense. JK, Ross Gerber's ETF, the same thing. These guys suck at investing. It is not my opinion. It is here, in your face. These charts prove to you. But why some people still pay attention to what these guys say? Clearly, they have not a single clue about what they are doing. They are burning money. They are burning your money, pretending that they know more than you. Guys, do you know why people still trust on these guys? People still trust their money with these guys? Because they are capable of building narratives. By building narrative, this is going to fill a huge gap in your head because all you want to see is some sense in this market. You want to understand why the market is dropping, why the market is doing what it is doing right now. You just want to find some sense out of this craziness. All right? And these guys are here to offer you some sense. But their performances just suck. A monkey could perform better. I am not even joking. Literally, a monkey could perform better than these experts, than these pros, than these gurus. So, guys, let's quit. Let's quit with the forecasting, with the predictions, trying to predict the market, trying to hear some words explaining of how the market is supposed to behave after earnings, how the market is supposed to behave after a Federal Reserve meeting. Let's just quit it. Trading and real investing as well is reactive. It is not predictive. We just do what we need to do right now at this moment, and this is it. And why I am telling you this? Why I'm telling you all of this? Because I'm just trying to open your eyes. I'm just trying to tell you that being anxious trying to forecast things, trying to predict things. This is just going to make you more stressed about this market. This is what's going to prevent you from thinking clearly. And in this channel, I have nothing to offer but the red pill. I wish I could offer a blue pill and a red pill like Morpheus did on the Matrix move, but here it is only the red pill, right? I have nothing else to offer because I am a retail trader like you, like everybody else over here. So if you're still not my subscriber, subscribe to this channel to keep in touch with my future analysis. Probably you liked the content, am I right? Follow me on Instagram as well. Now, let's proceed. I already described what could possibly go wrong, right? If Tesla loses its support levels short-term speaking. Now, our next technical target is the $300, which is the previous top as seen on the weekly chart over here. $314 to be more specific, alright? This is where I see Tesla heading to right now in the next few days, in the next few weeks. I don't have any specific time frame regarding this technical target. I don't know. All that I know is that as long as Tesla remains above its immediate support levels, this is our next technical target. If it loses our support levels, okay, a pullback is plausible. A pullback would be an opportunity to buy, but this is not going to be enough to frustrate the major bull trend. When we analyze the S&P index, for instance, last Friday, it did a classic top signal, right? This is called shooting star candlestick pattern. The Nasdaq index did a similar pattern. Similar pattern. It did the exact same pattern, a shooting star pattern. However, this shooting star wasn't triggered yet. It wasn't rejected yet. We have yet to break this shooting star's high, just like on the S&P index over here, but it wasn't triggered yet. If the indices trigger their top signals, then okay, I believe we're gonna see a pullback as well. Probably Tesla is going to trigger a pullback to its 21 exponential moving average too. So this is it. But as long as we see the indices not triggering their top signals, as long as we see Tesla above its crystal clear support levels, the main trend will remain bullish. I don't know what to expect next. I can't tell what's going to happen in the future, but we should just pay attention to our key points over here. In my humble opinion, if Tesla crashes after earnings, it crashed, I think it is going to be a buying opportunity. My 2 cents over here, alright? However, do you want to trade with me? Join our Telegram channel. So far, we are doing amazingly well. Our active management strategy on Tesla and other stocks is simply incredible. Incredible. So come on, join our Telegram channel if you want to trade with me. Consider subscribing. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow as usual. Stay safe. Bye-bye.